What's up, everybody? It's your boy Larkin, and we're back at it again. Today we are doing a macaroni and cheese tutorial. Everybody's been asking about it, so let's get it going. So for this, you're gonna need the most important stuff: cheese. Really, it's good to use block shredded cheese, but through this quarantine, this is the best I can find. So we're gonna go with. I got some mild cheddar, some Kobe Jack, some triple cheddar, more Kobe Jack, mild cheddar, triple cheddar. Then we got eggs. You're gonna need 1 egg, some sour cream, carnation milk, evaporated milk, same shit. Salt, paprika, and black pepper. So let's get started. What to do is you have to bring your water to a boil. Make sure you put enough water in here that covers the noodles. And then we're gonna put salt in here. Now what the salt does, it prevents the noodles from sticking, and it just adds flavor to the noodles as well. Make sure you stir them to prevent them from sticking. Yeah, I'm just gonna bring these to a boil for about 10 to 12 minutes. So now, this has been about 10 to 12 minutes. Your noodles should have about 10 to 12 minutes. Your noodles should be tender enough for you to go drain them. So go drain your noodles. Okay, so now you have your noodles that are drained, boiled, and ready to start your macaroni and cheese. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some butter, 1 stick of butter, cut it up, 1 stick of butter. We're gonna stir that in. You're gonna wanna take your first set of cheese, which I'm gonna use some Kobe Jack. I put about half the bag in there to start off. You're gonna wanna save some cheese, just because you need to put it on the top as well at the end. So that's about half the bag. Take your milk. Okay, now you have a very cheesy mixture so far. You're gonna take a teaspoon pepper, teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons now you're gonna only want to take half of this now, so only half. This is how it should be looking right now when you mix it up. Look at that. 1 egg. This is just really to make it more of like a custard. It's gonna like thicken up. It's gonna be a good foundation, good base for the macaroni and cheese. Now, for your last step, sour cream. I'm gonna take 1 heaping teaspoon, pop that boy up in there.